In this lesson, you will learn on data structures which make unordered collections. The two types of unordered collection that we'll discuss are dictionary and set.
The definition of a dictionary is it's a data structure which keeps the key value pairs in which the keys are unique. So every element in a dictionary is actually a key and a value pair. It's not one element here we are talking about. We are talking about two elements separated by a colon. On the left side is the key and on the right side is the value. And every pair of key value is separated by a comma, and the whole set of key value pairs is enclosed within curly braces. So, in a dictionary, the way you access the elements is by using the key. There is no concept of index numbers here because all you have is a key and a value, and you have to use the key to get the value. So, if you want to get the value of United States, then you have to use the key which is attached to the value, which is US. So, here is an example where passing the key to the dictionary is returning the value.
As long as the keys are unique, a dictionary can have any of the fundamental data structures like string, integer, float, boolean, and even a complex number as its key. It can also be any of the immutable structures like tuple. A dictionary value can be of any type, including the mutable data structures like list and another dictionary itself. Here is an example of a dictionary which has two keys, A and a complex number 2 plus 3j. And using the keys, you can print the value. A set is an unordered collection that does not allow duplicates. You can create a set by enclosing all the elements between a pair of curly braces. Since set does not allow duplicates, if you add mango twice while creating it, it only keeps one mango in the structure. Both dictionary and set are mutable, so you can add, change, and remove elements after it is created. Refer ebook for examples. So far, the way we created the different data structures is by using different enclosing symbols for the elements. For list, we use the brackets. For tuple, parentheses. For set and dictionary, we use the curly braces. However, we can use the built-in function instead. Here are a few examples of using symbols to create the many different data structures. A is a list, B is a tuple, C is a set, and D is a dictionary. And now, using built-in functions, let's create new data structures. In this example, A is a list and B is a tuple created using symbols. And then we create a A1 tuple by using the built-in function tuple and passing in the list A as an argument. On the same lines, B is a tuple created using the symbol, which is used as an argument in the list function to create a list B1. In this example, we have a C, which is a list containing duplicate B string element. And we use that list to create a new set C1. Finally, we print both the structures. What do you see? Although the list is keeping the duplicate elements, set C1 has eliminated the duplicates.